Hello and welcome to Jordan Farrington Commercials. On offer for you today we have a 2018 68 plate Volkswagen Crafter with a Dropside body and toolbox storage. It's on a medium wheelbase chassis. As you can see, it's in superb condition all round. Got the alloy drop sides to keep the weight down. You've got single rear wheels which also keeps the weight down so you can carry more. We've got a tow bar down there with 13-pin electrics. All in order, great condition. We've got lockable storage. Onto the inside, we've got 3 grey cloth seats, all in superb condition. We've got storage underneath the 2 front passenger seats. Specification's not too bad. We've got electric windows, air conditioning, your radio, and it's only covered just over 49,000 miles. Any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch and give us a call. Thank you.